My name is Ashok Kumar Bali. I am from Fiji. One day I had a severe pain. My family took me to the hospital and the doctors diagnosed there that I had a heart problem. They decided that I should have a open heart surgery and valve replacement.
Due to complexity and the nature of this condition, the hospital referred us for an overseas treatment. I got a referral by my work colleague for BLK-Max Hospital. We flew over my dad to this hospital and met with Dr. Ramji.
When he came, we examined him, investigated him thoroughly, and find out that he had aortic valve which was moderately stenosed, and he had left dominant system of his coronary artery, meaning that right coronary artery was very small, and these two branches of left coronary artery had significant blockages. So we discussed with him the operation and involved two bypasses and valve replacement using a mechanical valve, which was his choice. He underwent operation successfully, recovered well.
After the surgery, he felt confident in himself and is able to walk longer distances. And with the proper guidance and care of this medical team, my dad has gained another life.
I would like to thank Dr. Ramji and his colleague and the hospital BLK for their nice service to me.